The most common question I get asked on these gig app videos is, do employees ever bother me while I'm trying to do a gig? And I've been doing this for about 8 or 10 years. I've done so many gigs on these similar gig apps. And yes, anything bad has happened. I've been kicked out of stores. I've been banned from stores. And I even had managers threaten to call the police on me. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to avoid employees bothering you and what to do when they inevitably do after you're doing these gig apps. Number one is be discreet. Try to be as discreet as possible. You want to blend in. You want to be a customer, someone there shopping, someone there looking around to buy stuff. You don't want to give off the vibe like you're working. You don't want to give off the vibe like you're up to something. So if you are concerned about this, one of the easiest things you could do is just grab a cart or a basket. Walking around the supermarket or Walmart, you look a little suspicious if you don't have a cart or a basket. I would recommend the basket because it'll be easier to move around the store and get in and out to increase your hourly wage, but a cart does work fine as well. Next is the way you take your pictures. So you don't want to be there like a photographer like this holding your phone like you're doing a selfie. You don't realize you do it, but a lot of people do like a pose when they're taking a picture and it's very obvious. You just want to look like you're like everyone else who's just glued to their phone on Facebook or something. So instead of holding your arm out like this, hold your phone kind of like close to your chest. Look at it like you're texting or you're just doing something on your phone, and then just boom, get your picture. Another thing is most iPhones, you could take your pictures while you walk. So a lot of like the end cap corner displays, I never stop moving when I'm in the store. I'll walk past it, take the picture when I walk. And when I do a whole aisle, I do like a sidestep and I basically just scan the aisle with my phone discreetly while pressing the button. Just make sure your pictures are clear because they could get denied. Another thing is think of your backstories because eventually someone is going to ask you what you're doing no matter how discreet you are. And the backstory is everything. If you say the wrong thing, it could end up having them threaten to call the cops on you. If you say the right thing, they can end up being super nice and just tell you to have a nice day, enjoy shopping. The one backstory that I use, let's say I'm doing a gig a couple days ago, I was doing one by the produce, and the manager was there like redoing something, and it didn't look like he was leaving anytime soon, and I didn't want to waste time and like come back. So the thing I always do when there's an employee near me while I'm doing this is is I talk to myself. I pretend like I'm on a FaceTime call. I'll be like, "Oh, mom, they have these type of apples. Oh, you want organic apples? Yeah, these are what the organic apples look like." And I'll have like a full conversation with myself, and then the employees don't think anything of it. A lot of people do that while they're shopping, and a lot of people are on FaceTime, so it's completely normal. Another thing you can do, and then this is if they ask you, you could say, "Oh, I'm on a FaceTime with my mom," or "My grandma wants to see what's on the shelf. She couldn't come to the store." Or you could say, "Oh, I'm doing a shop and deliver. I'm on Instacart. I'm on Uber Eats. I'm on DoorDash, and the customer wants to see what's in the aisle." Then they have to let you do it because they signed up. The store is signed up for that, and you're allowed to use your mobile device to work for those apps. Do not say I'm doing an audit. I'm doing this app and it wants me to check all these things for the pictures so I can make money, or I'm trying to do my job. Leave me alone. Always be super polite and nice and give them an excuse that they're allowed to let you stay and do. If you tell them you're doing one of those, they'll like call the manager, and then if you tell them you're doing field agent or something, they'll call the manager. They'll want to look for they'll ask for a letter of authorization. And some big gigs like on Observo, like the $20 ones, they'll give you letters of authorization. But field agent and Moby, most of them won't give you a letter of authorization, so you're on your own. So those are my tips. Once you get good at it, once you get used to it, you can get in and out without being noticed at all. So click the links down below to sign up for these amazing side hustle apps and let me know if you have any questions.